Rich people are rich because of the things they do every day. 9 out of 10 of the richest people in the world are self-made millionaires. Lucky for us, we do know what these people did every day to become successful. And in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the rich people habits that I have, how it has changed the quality of my life, how it can change yours by taking some of the practical examples of highly successful people. Habit number 1 is reading a lot of books. Now I know that you know that how important reading books is. So I'm just gonna skip that part and tell you about some of the reading habits of these people that you might know. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people in the world, claims to read 500 pages a day. Bill Gates reads 50 books a year. Mark Zuckerberg tries to read one book every 2 weeks. And you know who has 2 thumbs and reads one book every week? This guy. Habit number 2 is journaling. Now the term journaling has gained a lot of hype recently due to hundreds of people creating these aesthetically pleasing journals. But the simple concept of journaling is writing down whatever comes in your mind at any point of day. Let me give you an example of the popular franchise Star Wars. The man behind Star Wars, George Lucas, was working on a small project when he was keeping a journal, which was supposed to be the draft of A New Hope, his first Star Wars movie. That's when the sound designer asked him to give Reel 2 Dialogue 2, which was called in the industry standards as, you guessed it right, R2D2. George, hand me R2D2. In a minute. R2D2. R2D2. Who knew that R2D2 would become such an iconic character in the billion-dollar Star Wars franchise? Habit number 3 is scheduling. What do Elon Musk and you have in common? You both have 24 hours every day. The only difference is that he plans his day according to his priorities. He's so busy running Tesla and SpaceX that he has to schedule his day in 5-minute slots. That's crazy. That's for like maximum productivity. You don't need to go that hard. What you can do is schedule your day by hour, just like I do. And I promise you will get surprisingly great results. We have so many great platforms to plan our day. I personally use Microsoft To-Do List, but even I started this habit with a simple pen and book. Habit number 4 is minimalism. Minimalism is such a huge topic, but the only thing that concerns here is that applying minimalistic habits to your daily life so that you can make better decisions. The best example that I can give you is of Mark Zuckerberg. He has only one color of t-shirt in his wardrobe. He says that every tiny decision takes up your energy, and to me that makes sense. When you're running these huge companies like Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp, you can't waste your energy by making these silly decisions. So how can you use this habit in your life? Don't buy things that you're not gonna use. Don't keep things lying around if you don't need them at that time. Prioritize your thoughts for the things that are important. Habit number 5 is learning new skills. This one habit has changed my life enormously. So about 5 years ago, I watched a video of Steve Jobs giving a speech at a university. And he said that you can't connect the dots looking forwards. You can only connect them looking backwards. So you have to trust that somehow the dots will connect in your future. I'll explain this with my own example. I started this YouTube channel about 3 months ago. Before that, I wasn't sure that I was gonna do YouTube. And yet, somehow, I already possessed all the skills that are required to run a YouTube channel. I learned photography about 7 years ago. And so what happens is, the rules that apply in photography also apply in videography. So I already knew how to use a camera. Couple of years ago, I did a class on graphic designing in which I learned a number of softwares, one of which was Adobe Premiere Pro, which is the software that I use now to edit my videos. And I've always loved watching movies. I like to figure out how the scenes are taken and how everything is executed. So you can't tell how what you're gonna learn today is gonna help you in the future. You're just gonna have to trust your gut or destiny or whatever you wanna call it. These 5 habits have helped me to not only keep a successful mentality and set me on the right path, but also improved my quality of life. What are some of the habits that you apply in your life and have had great impact on you? Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. and subscribe my channel for more great tips on how to live a better life. Thank you for watching.